After sleeping on my back, what surprising experience happened? Last night I decided to try sleeping on my back since I was having trouble falling asleep on my side. Just 5 minutes after changing positions, I finally fell asleep. But then, in the middle of the night, my eyes suddenly opened. I felt the need to go to the bathroom, but when I tried to get up, I couldn't move. It felt like my body was completely stuck, like I had lost control. Then, I noticed a shadow in the corner of my room. It slowly started moving toward me. My heart began racing, but I tried to stay calm. Suddenly, the shadow disappeared. My breathing returned to normal, and as soon as I wiggled my toes, everything was back to normal. I instantly woke up and realized that my streaming app was playing cat sounds on loop. Was it real or just a dream? That night's experience became a memorable moment for me.